I always loved putting things together and wanting to know how things worked. One Christmas, I remember my mom giving me a Barbie doll house in the dream house. They put it together that night before, I guess, and I was pretty upset that it was already put together. I wanted to do it. So that was one of the things very early on that they had a clue of maybe she wants to do something with her hands, but then it later evolved to engineering. In college, I had to work to get through college. So I would work a semester and then the following semester take the money from that to pay for that semester. And it took me a little longer to finish because of that. I didn't let it stop me. I kept going. My path to working at Goddard in the Hubble program started with, I actually interviewed for a different company. They were not interested and forwarded my resume. And believe it or not, I'd never heard of the Hubble project. So when I got the phone call, I was trying to figure out, well, who are these people? I didn't interview with them. I didn't give my resume to them. But I had the interview, and here I am 21 years later in a career that I never even thought of. And grateful, very much grateful for. I have many favorite moments from working on the Hubble. Outside of the engineering aspect of it, Hubble is very much a family unit. We've grown together, we know each other's families, each other's children and spouses. It is so much of a family. Some fun moments or the best moments for me have been the service and missions. And while there was a lot of planning and a lot of grueling hours involved, because of the people, it made the job so much fun and exciting. The advice I would give to young females or even just a young person in general would be to not give up. And if you have a talent that you feel, or not just a talent or a skill that you feel is a God-given thing and it is a strong desire in you to fulfill, then you'll be able to do it, regardless of what adversity or what roadblocks or challenges come your way. Don't stop, keep going, and it will eventually happen.